Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this video. History Standard 8 Chapter 7 Non-Cooperation Movement. In this chapter and in this video we are going to study few points of Indian history. Out of that, a role of Gandhiji in South Africa, Gandhiji's arrives in India, Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha, workers movement in Ahmedabad, Satyagraha against Rowlatt Act, and many other miss points during the period of 1905 to 1930. In this period, events in the Indian history we are going to study. Now, at the beginning, introduction is given. In this period, Indian national movement, the period from 1920 to 1947, is known as the Gandhian era. After the death of Lokmanya Tilak in 1920, the region or the reign of the national movement went into the hands of Mahatma Gandhi. This period, his reign or this period went in the hands of Mahatma Gandhi. He gave a new direction to the freedom movement with the principles of truth, non-violence and satyagraha. Due to the influential leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the national movement became more comprehensive. This led to the beginning of a new era in the freedom movement of India, but the principles which he had used were truth, non-violence and satyagraha, and his period was from 1920 to 1947, known as the Gandhian era. After that, role of Gandhiji in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa for some legal work in 1893. South Africa was a colony of the British. Many Indians had settled there for business, trade and such other work. The Indians in South Africa were treated as criminals and humiliated at all the times by the Britishers and other people. In 1906, the government declared that it was compulsory for the blacks to carry an identity card and their freedom was restricted as well. Means everywhere identity, with the identity it was made compulsory to roam in the city or the villages. Gandhiji followed the path of satyagraha against the injustice and gained justice for the people. Means his work had started from South Africa. Gandhiji arrives in India on 9th January 1915. Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa as his motherland, as suggested by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and he has suggested to come India, and he was his political guru, we call. He made a tour of the entire nation. At the beginning, means that was the 1915 year, he became sad looking at the misery and poverty of the people. He had become totally sad seeing the scenes in the village areas of India. He took up the vow of service to the nation. He decided that the remaining life of his life will spend for the nation and the nation's development. He stayed at the Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. He followed a new technique of satyagraha to gain justice for the common people. Satyagraha was based on the principles of the truth, non-violence. Already we have studied about this. Even philosophy of satyagraha, what it was, see, Gandhiji brought in a novel technique of satyagraha in the popular movement. What it was, satyagraha means insistence of truth, like the following the truth or remaining back to the truth. The main objective of satyagraha is through patience and satyagraha, an unjust person is made aware of truth and justice and also bring transformation in his views. Yes, bringing some changes who is doing injustice with the other people. A person following satyagraha should never use violence and untruth means was the teachings of Gandhiji. Gandhi started these principles in the Satyagraha, and philosophy of the Satyagraha out of that one. Later, not only in India but in many parts of world, people adopted the path of Satyagraha to fight against injustice. Maximum places where these were used. See, Gandhiji's path of Satyagraha made an impact on Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King, yes, he was the president of Miss USA, who was struggling for the rights of the blacks in America, as well as on Nelson Mandela in South Africa. Once again, see, not only the Gandhi's principle, that was the Satyagraha work in India, this principle or the path of Satyagraha to fight against the injustice was used in the other places also. Gandhi's path of Satyagraha made on the impact on the Martin Luther King, who was struggling for the rights of the blacks in America, as well as on the Nelson Mandela in South Africa. Even students, only 2 examples are given here, but the number of places the technique or this method was used to get justice in the matter of injustice followed by the other people. Not only this, one Satyagraha which is a major incident and the event in the Indian history, that was the Champaran Satyagraha in Bihar. The farmers of Champaran region were forced to cultivate indigo, only indigo. The cultivators suffered economically since they received fixed amount from the planters. It was injustice with the farmers. Gandhiji went to Champaran in 1917. He organized the farmers in the Champaran and launched agitation by the following the way of Satyagraha. And Gandhiji's first war of independence in India became successful and the farmers were given justice. Yes, Miss Champaran Satyagraha became successful under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, and it was the place in the Bihar, and due to this success the farmers became happy. Even here the work of Mahatma Gandhi had started. After that, Kheda Satyagraha, second one, due to constant famines in Kheda district of Gujarat, the crop had failed. No rain, no food crops, as well as no crops, and because of that one, condition of the farmer was like a miserable. Still, land tax was forcibly collected by the government. Crops had totally failed, but the taxes remain as it is. Gandhiji suggested that the farmer should refuse or the not to pay the tax which British government had made. The farmers began the movement for the scrapping of the tax at the Kheda in 1918. Gandhiji accepted the leadership of this movement. Within a short period of time, what happened? The government suspended the tax. Means the Kheda Satyagraha also became successful. And workers movement, third number, workers movement at Ahmedabad. What happened? See, during the First World War, there was great inflation, rising prices of the commodities in the markets and all. Mere workers demanded for the rise in the salary. As you know that one, like as they fulfill the needs, money is required. Yes, which salary had given to the worker was not sufficient at all. So their demand was the salary should be increased, but the mill owners rejected this demand, and as per the Mahatma Gandhi's advice, the workers went on the hunger strike. Finally, the mill owners had to back off and the salary of the worker was increased. Means the 3 consecutive success in these events, Kheda Satyagraha, that Ahmedabad's workers means like as a movement, there also Mahatma Gandhiji means got the success, and because of that one Satyagraha, this technique became popular in the Indian history. Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act. What it was? See, in the First World War, the Indians had helped the British. Yes, British sided means they had fought in the First World War. The Indians felt that after the World War is over, there will be a system of governance for taking the decisions for well-being of the Indians. But there was growing unrest among the Indians regarding the increasing prices, taxes, etc. And because of that, what happened? The Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act had called, Actually, what was the Rowlatt Act? See, to suppress this discontent and to suggest measures about it, a committee was appointed under Sir Sidney Rowlatt, like it is Sir Rowlatt we call. According to recommendations of this committee, a new law was passed without considering the opposition of Indian members in the Central Legislative Assembly on 17 March 1919. The law was for Indians, but not a single person was considered in this committee. So it was injustice, and this law came to be known as a Rowlatt Act, or Indians were called this act as a Black Act. Why that is? Because law was for Indians, but the Indian member was not taken in this committee. So this act called as a Rowlatt Act means Black Act in the Indian history. And this act gave the right to the government to arrest anybody. How that was the injustice means, like the act, see, yes, this act gave the right to the government to arrest anybody without any warrant or imprison without any trial directly. Appeal was prohibited against the punishment given through this act. It was totally wrong, and the Indians call this act as a Black Act, and a tide of anger aroused all over India against this act. What about the Gandhiji then? Gandhiji launched a satyagraha against it. On 16th April 1919, he appealed to the Indians to follow the Hartal all over India against the act, that is Rowlatt Act, and the Indians responded to this appeal on a large scale, and they had participated in this Mr. Rowlatt Act against Mr. Satyagraha. Afterwards, like the one incident which was an inhuman incident in the Indian history, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The moment had massacre means like a brutally or killing people. Innocent people were killed in large in numbers. The moment that arose against the Rowlatt Act, people were opposing the Rowlatt Act, which was followed by the British government, took over a fierce form in the province of Punjab. What happened in the Punjab? See, Amritsar became the main center of this movement. The government had started the spat of suppression. Anyhow, they decided to control the people and who were opposing the Rowlatt Act. All the methods were used. Gandhiji was prohibited from entering the province of Punjab. 1. General Dyer issued order of ban on the public meetings in Amritsar, and because of that, what happens? See, the important leaders like Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu were arrested for their involvement in Amritsar Hartal case. In this case, yes, as a protest against this, on 30th April 1919, on a Baisakhi day, the people of Amritsar assembled at a place named Jallianwala Bagh. General Dyer arrived with armed force. The place was enclosed from all sides and had only one small gate. General Dyer positioned his army and closed down the only gate. Everything had closed. All the people were in the Bagh. Without giving any prior notification to the disarmed innocent people, he ordered his soldiers to fire. And as per his order, like the soldiers started firing. In that incident, the 1660 rounds had been fired by the soldier side. The army continued firing until the ammunition was over, and in this massacre, about 400 people, including men and the women, were killed. Many people were wounded. After firing, curfew was announced, and hence immediate treatment to the injured could not be made available. It was a pre-planned program done by British government and the British officers. In entire Punjab, military law was enforced, and the many were sent to jail by the government. Means this inhuman activity or the inhuman work had done in Punjab in the matter of the Rowlatt Act, opposing the people to this act. Next, see here in the Jallianwala Bagh incident, General Michael O'Dwyer governor of Punjab was responsible for this incident. Yes, means like this governor and Dyer, General Dyer was responsible. All over India there was a protest against this Act 1. As a protest against this massacre, Rabindranath Tagore gave away the title of Sir. Like this title had given to him, but this title he decided to give back, bestowed on him by the British government, because of the which incident happened on the 13th April 1919. It was inhuman misactivity by the government side, British government side. Later Indians demanded for inquiry of this massacre. Hence the British government appointed the Hunter Commission. And the remaining points will study students in the next video. But see that, let's recall yourself. Yes, what did you misunderstand? Introduction, then role of Gandhiji in South Africa, then Gandhiji arrives in India, afterward the philosophy of the Satyagraha, which was based on the truth, non-violence, and the Gandhiji's contribution in the Satyagraha, which had spread in the America as well as in South Africa. Nelson Mandela had used this method in South Africa, and Martin Luther King was used in the America. Then he got the success in the Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha, then workers movement at the Ahmedabad, there also he got the success. Afterwards the Rowlatt Act, opposing that one, he had announced that one like to conduct the Hartal, but afterwards that Rowlatt Act, in that matter Jallianwala Bagh incident had occurred. Hope that one students you understood. Hope that students you understood the points which we have discussed in this video. Go through the textbook, read the which matter has been given in the textbook, and study properly, or watch this video again. And exercise of this topic is given to the Google Classroom. Try read that one and write down in your notebook. So students, like it will meet in a second video of this chapter soon. Take care of yourself, take care of your family members, like be socially responsible, be studious and curious too. Okay, take care once again. Thank you very much.